Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden today, and we're going to do some maintenance work and also do another product reveal and review. Here we had Muffin's patch, the galvanized steel raised bed that I had roses and lamb's ear and a couple peace lilies. And I decided to remove that from the garden, and I repurposed the soil, some of it into containers for the rose bush, the lamb's ear, and the peace lily, and also some of it for the terracotta bed. And this is what was left. Now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to get the land or the soil back level using a product that was sent to me a couple days ago. So hopefully you can see me pretty well. Approximately 3 weeks ago, a company by the name of YerYork, YerYork, contacted me and inquired if I would be interested in one of their 15 amp electric tillers. At the time, I said sure, because I could always find something around the yard to use a tiller for, like making beds for flowers and stuff like that, or leveling off land. But I decided later on, after the fact, to move Muffin's patch because I can't connect it, or couldn't connect it to the drip line, and it kind of looked a little out of place. So I decided, why not use it to level down the remainder of the soil that's here. So that's what we're going to do. The first thing I did was obviously take it out of the box, and I'm looking at the owner's manual. And the first thing we have to do to put it together, it says that we will need personal protection and just a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and do the assembly, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, you take the wheel, slide it on, take the washer, take the pin and stick it back into the hole, and then bend it back like it was. Then take the cap and put it on, and it will, or it should rather, snap into place just like that. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing for the other side. Again, the pin is already bent, and all we're going to do is straighten it out. Push it through the hole. The washer is already on. Oh, I gotta go get the wheel. Be right back. Okay, we take the second wheel, remove the wheel covering, slide it onto the axle, put in the pin to keep it from coming off, bend the pin backwards. There we go. That way the wheel stays onto the axle. Then we snap the cover into place. And that's it for the wheels. Okay, now we're going to connect the handle and the arms. And we're going to remove the paper. So it's supposed to flip, or rather sit like this. So according to the instructions, we're going to take the screws that we had, these, here also. Yes, I did. Put one in there and put the other one in there. Take the screw, put it in on this side so that it's square and lines up. And take your handle, your wheel, and screw it on so that's nice and tight. And we're going to do the same thing to the other one. And tighten it up. Okay. Next, we're going to take the handle and connect it. Of course, you gotta take the protective plastic off. And we're going to line up the holes. When you know it, I dropped the screw. So we'll just take this one out for now. This one also on the inside, until it's flush, and then screw on the top. And let's get that screw. Where'd it go? There it is. And do the same thing here. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong thing. Screw on the inside. There we go. And tighten this up. Okay, nice and tight. Now, what we're going to do next is connect our guides for the electrical cord so that the cord itself is out of the way. Okay. It's a little plastic clip like this. Where would I like it to go so that's out of the way? Pull it tight up here. And get this to open up. There we go. And then we're just going to take the wire and slowly put it in there. And it's nice and tight, flush away from everything. Now, we're going to adjust the pins later on, but for all practical intents and purposes, this is ready to be used. And there we go. A few things about the tiller. It has a 15 amp motor. It can tackle tough soil with ease. It's supposed to be reliable, delivering consistent power for effortlessly preparing your garden. It can. It has a large work area, 18 inches, and it has a maximum depth that it can till of 9 inches. The wheels are adjustable. The teeth or tines are made out of durable steel. It folds in half. So it's easy to carry and to store, and it's eco-friendly. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the YerYork 15 amp electric tiller. Personally, I love it. I think it's for my purposes, it will fit my needs great. When I showed you how to use it here, it was easy. It tilled, and it really, over time, you really won't notice that the ground was disturbed here at all, which is what I was looking for. I have some more cleanup to do, but overall, this is what I wanted. The material that I put in that bed has broken down, and there are some really large worms that are here. Some of those worms I took and put in the other bed. So the tiller also came with a 2-year extended warranty. And on the back of it, I just have to scan the QR code or go to the website and register, which is what I'm going to do. Now, if you're interested in getting one of these, I have a link for them that I will put in the comments section of the video, as well as the description portion of the video. So again, I hope it brought a smile to your face and brighten your day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and food by myself, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can share my content. I believe if you like my content, your friends and family will also. So until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.